Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and touch bases on Terra Luna Classic. So Terra Luna Classic, guys, is sitting at the time of this recording at 3034, guys. I know a lot of people see Terra Luna on an uptrend while crypto and the market was crashing today. And that's exactly what I told you guys. If you go back to the previous videos, I mentioned and told you guys Terra Luna Classic was eventually going to do exactly what Shiba Inu did. And we called that as well. In the past, Shiba Inu, when it had one of its biggest runs, it was running while Bitcoin was crashing. Because I told you guys it would have a mind of its own. That's the way I say it in a nutshell. So Terra Luna Classic, the reason my opinion behind it and why we'll have called for something like this to happen is being for the fact that Terra Luna Classic has got hit significantly more harder than every other crypto. So for it to move on its own wave, on frequency as of now, wouldn't be too much of a surprise. That's why I called it out like that. We know this, Terra Luna Classic has been hit harder than any other crypto, going down as one of the biggest crashes in history. Over $40 billion was lost, guys. Over, a lot of people, a lot of big names in the industry, all over YouTube. A lot of people lost a lot of money. We talking single people, individuals losing million and 10 million plus in one investment. So it's been crazy. But anyways, guys, if we take a look at it, like I just told you guys, Bitcoin has been crashing today. The overall market has been crashing today due to CPI inflation data being reported. I told you guys in the stock market video exactly what was going to take place with that. We was going to run up on Monday, and then as soon as the data was released, we was going to drop and pull back. I did expect for us to recover towards the end of the day, but since we didn't, I'm pretty sure that recovery is going to go into tomorrow, guys, in my opinion. So if we go ahead and take a look at Terra Luna's chart, guys, we could see that we up over 13% on the day, down over 5.3% on the week, and up over 261% on the month, guys. This bad boy is still in the uptrend. It's still ready to blow. I know a lot of people that was chasing, that just bought at the top, they may feel otherwise. That's because they just buy whenever they see movement, whenever they see everybody FOMOing in, and then as soon as it starts to pull back a little bit, they say, oh, it's a scam. They scared and they get shooken out just to keep rebuying and selling for losses and losses and losses instead of just buying now while it's dirt cheap and just be willing to lose 100% of a small amount or be willing to make thousands of percentage. So let's go ahead and take a closer look, guys, and see exactly what numbers to look at and what resistance and support been looking like. So ever since we hit our peak of 3060, guys, I told you guys when we came back down and started testing support around 3034, that was better than expected. Because usually whenever you blast through resistance at 3017 that I told you guys we would blast through, and we went up over 77% after doing so, a lot of people was hitting me up saying thank you for putting me in early, getting me in before the blast off. After doing that, usually a security or asset will come back down and test that resistance that it blew through at 3017. It'll treat that as a new form of support. That's where our floor will be at. But instead, we stayed way above that and treated 3034 as a form of support until today. We came up below that and tested right around 3030, 3029, guys. So that's still, not too shabby away from where we wanted to be at. Right here, if you can see on the chart, right here where you see that peak at on the chart. If I could show you guys, let me pull it up right here on my phone so it'll be easier. So right here, guys, we came down to 3029, right around 3030. But right there, that was our previous peak before we went to that all-time high where you see that line at. That previous peak, that's where we came down and tested true support at. So that means we still is in a confirmed uptrend, guys. It's definitely looking good for another amazing push. So you definitely want to be getting in around, this is a buy zone, buy level. Anybody that was looking to add some. And if it breaks below that 3029, I'll be looking for around 3023, and between that and 3017, that's worst case scenario, guys. Just prepare you guys, because like I told you guys, usually that's where it will form real support at, with that that major resistance was at, and that was at 3017. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Hit me up on Instagram if you want a phone call. I love you. We out, and God bless you.